step, snap, drop.
What's a dress?
Ready stance,
Warm-up swings.
heat it up
Backswing goes.
with your shoulders.
Just your hands.
That's beginner's golf.
The downswing flows like a waterfall. Straight down wax.
Splash.
If it drifts sideways, it's all wrong. A stream just wets the ground. That's all. Step your left foot.
Step, step,
Snap your elbow in.
snap,
Drop your shoulder down.
drop.
Waterfall motion.
Step, snap, drop.
Hips face straight toward the pin. Upper body holds, don't spin. Shoulder drops below your chin.
Drop.
Clean hit is power.
With the shoulder.
Step your left foot.
Step, step,
Snap your elbow in.
snap,
Drop your shoulder down.
drop.
Waterfall motion.
Step, snap, drop.
Big swing.
No, no.
Controls the key.
Yes, yes.
Smooth and snappy tempo, hole in one.
Nope, birdie.
One shot at a time. That's the real game. Step and shift your way.
Ready, flow.
Snap your elbow in real time.
Snap.
Drop that right shoulder down. All in one smooth motion. Elbow close beside your ribs. Arms and torso move as one. The club feels light, no force at all. It slices clean. Feel that strike. Clean hit is power.
Shoulder.
Waterfall Golf.